Want to fully control your Windows 11 PC's desktop from your laptop or even from across the world? Remote Desktop is built right into Windows 11 Pro, and I'll show you how to set it up safely. First, open Settings, go to System and click Remote Desktop. Turn the toggle on. Keep in mind this feature needs Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise. It isn't available on the Home Edition. On this same page, note down your PC name. You'll need it to connect. You can also click Remote Desktop Users to add specific accounts that are allowed to connect in. To connect from another PC on the same Wi-Fi network, open the Remote Desktop Connection app, type in the PC name, and sign in with your account. You'll see the full desktop appear instantly. One last thing, always use a strong password on the account you are connecting with, since Remote Desktop is a common target for attackers if left unprotected. Subscribe to Tactim for more practical Windows 11 guides.